G'day and welcome to Heads or Tails Down Under Coins. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the $1 coin collection folder that I've got from the Royal Australian Mint. And we're going to add a couple of coins, new coins that I got from the coin shop, the coin dealer that I go to, and give them some fresh coins in the set here. So let's have a look. And two coins I'm going to change over because they're still a bit rough in the folder, which is the Scouts, and it's a Century, I think it is a Century of Scouts, yep, and it is a 2008 coin. There we go, Queen Elizabeth II on it, and there it is there, and that's pretty much how much I paid for him. There we go. It's going to replace the one I've got there in the folder over here. And APEC Australia coin from 2007. Whoop. 2007. Next roll again. And that's going to be a bit better than the circulated one I do have right now. So let's change them over. Get rid of the coin there, so it's not that bad, the Scout one. A bit rough, a bit dull, because it would have been in someone's change. Same with this APEC. I think most of these coins I would have collected in my own change, and that's where they ended up in this folder. That was the best ones I had for the collection. So let's crack them open. And put them into the folder. So I don't really go noodling, so I prefer to go to the coin shop, spend a couple of extra dollars, and get the best one I can get. So that's the easiest route for me. Instead of sitting there for hours on end and ending up with, chewed up, spat out coins that have been bounced around in someone's pocket or behind the lounge. There we go. That's the coins I've replaced now for the folder. And that's them in the folder there. So I'll zoom it in there. That's the two that we just replaced. So look how shiny and new they are now compared to, say, the Scout one. Bit of a difference from an ex-roll coin compared to something that was probably bouncing around in someone's coin pocket. Mid-change jar, that's where this one would have been for me. There we go. And the other ones I wanted to replace as well. The folder. I'll show you the first page so you can have a look at what's in the folder here as well. Zoom back out, boys. Just gonna have a bit of a look. First page there. Nice coins that I've picked up either in my collection or from the coin dealer itself. Nice looking coins, especially if you ever go looking in your change for probably, well, that one there, the Indigenous Kangaroo. That's the bicentenary one. That's the one I call him. It's a bit more artwork from the Indigenous side of things. That's always rough when you get it circulated. I've never really found a really good one, so that's why I always go to the coin shops. Go, can you let me have a look at your coins you've got, stashed away, because most coin shops will. That's the other ones. Probably the only other one on the top row there that I'd replace is the Outback. But it's still a bit dull, a bit bit scratched up. And potentially on the bottom row there, maybe the Girl Guides one, guiding one. And top row there, they're not bad looking. Maybe the 100 Years of Anzac potential could get replaced. They got the A on the privy mark there for the $1 coin. You got the U and the S there. If you're looking for the privy marks, you can always look just below the big roo. You see the big U there and the S. And then over here you got the A. So that's these ones. And you got the 100 Years of Anzac. Oh, sorry, not 100, Qantas, sorry. Probably could do, if I find a better version of it, I could potentially replace that, but that's not that bad. But the ones I do want to replace today as well, because they just have spaces here for nothing really, and I just chucked a couple of coins I had spare, so I'm going to replace these ones with some other ones I got from the coin shop. Zoom back out for you. So yeah, we're out. And I'll whack them in. So one of them I got was the 2008 NRL 100 Years coin. I'm gonna whack that there. And another 2008 coin was the Century of Quarantine, I think it was there. So that one there, he's got the bag shaped as Australia, and you got the dog, sniffer dog, looking for the bad stuff that's in the people's luggage. That's that one there. All like stickers stuck all over their bag with the places they've been to. And Queen Elizabeth II, obviously, from 2008. I'll give you a zoomed in look at the NRL one there as well. It's not bad. See what it looks like out of the plastic, that one. And one of my ones I found in my change was $1 buck with a bluey on it. So that's from 2024. I thought I'd just replace the out of Mobberoo's one there on the bottom line. Just to whack him in the folder. Something a bit different. Crack him open. Hope you're enjoying your day and finding some coins that you're looking for. So that's that one there. In the NRL. Out of the plastic. So this is still a bit rough. Probably could find another version, probably a better version of this one. But not bad. Starting off with. Here we go. And the quarantine one. Crack him open. I like this coin. As soon as I saw it, I never had seen this coin before. Probably until I went to the coin shop and had a look. And something a bit different with a dog on it. There we go. We'll whack him in the center there. Done. Now we're going to chuck in old Bluey $1 buck. I found in my change. Here in Australia, we find our $1 bucks. There we go. So that's the ones we put in to 1908 to 2008 NRL Rugby League, played here in Australia, and the Century of Quarantine 1908 to 2008, and the $1 buck. Bluey. $1 buck. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me just replacing a couple of coins here in the $1 coin folder. So you can get these from the Royal Australian Mint. Still, I'm pretty certain you can get them from their website. Or when you do go to Canberra into their shop, they'll probably have this version or maybe a newer version. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit the hype button if you don't mind. That'd be great. Just to put this out there, this video a bit more. We've hit our 500th subscriber. Congratulations to the community. We've got 500 people now as subscribers. Thank you very kindly. And don't forget to leave a comment. What's your most favorite $1 coin? Or the ones we did replace. What's your favorite out of those? See ya.